Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Jeep Compass. So any screen, onto nav like so, where to, view map, home, work, where to, search all, address, we want address. So there we go, that's the town. We're going to Preston, select town or postcode. So it's important you select the Preston bit. If you select United Kingdom, it will ask you which country. So we're now on select town or postcode. So P, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. P are, we now want numbers. So we've got A, B, C there, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. So click on there. So it's 5. Need a space, is only 2 digits. There's no other numbers showing up. So space, and then 4, E, A. PR5 4EA, click on that, route 2, click on that, and then go.
You will arrive at your destination after 500 feet.
So we're on the forecourt anyway, so confuse it a little bit, but that's it, that's how you do it.